Welcome. If your old Chevy sounds like $1,000,000, this is the video for you. I'll check two things in here. We're gonna look inside here. Just briefly check if there's nothing obvious in here that would cause the noise. And I'm assuming I don't see any cracks on the flywheel. It sounds like there is a little screw inside here. No, I think this is all solid. No heat shields that look rusted or loose or anything like that. My assumption is, from what I have searched online, that it is a starter that makes that noise. Okay, I think this is a little better here. Remember to disconnect the battery, okay? Because you are disconnecting electricity from here. I think we should be able to get to it. Let's see. Okay, I can already tell I'll need extension. These are the only two bolts we're taking out. It is the original starter, so I think it's a good idea to replace, whether it's the starter that's making a noise or not. Yep, number 13. I have 3 points of security. Remember to have at least 3 points of security when you're getting under the car. Oh, okay, let's do this. Oh, kurwa. Oh, there we go. When putting this back, we have to use a torque wrench, okay? I don't think they have to be really tight, 25 feet of torque. I think 25. Okay, now I don't know if this thing is gonna, no, I don't think it's gonna fall. It's also, look at these big papas. It's kind of cool to see that these bolts, oh my gosh, was I recording backwards? Okay, this should not be moving like this. I hope I have a right. We'll have to compare the starters. This is too loose. Heat shield. Now, while we're holding it like this, we have to. What are we undoing? We're undoing 2 cables from the back. Some people take it from the side, which I guess would be easier process. Let me see, is there a... I wonder if this car was sprayed with anti-corrosion. Okay. So we're gonna connect just 2 cables. Easy, easy peasy, Mr. Cheesy. It's not easy to be cheesy. All right. Here's the comparison of the new starter and the used one. This is the original starter with 200,000 miles. This is AC Delco from Rock Auto. They look pretty much identical. Let's see. Look the same here. Okay, so that's what was making noise. Initially, I thought it was inside the exhaust. Catalytic converter going bad, but man, this is pretty obvious. Look at this. This should not be loose like that. I mean, you can see the original, I mean the new one. There's nothing goes up or down. Since this sits inside the bell housing, it transmits all that noise through the bell housing towards the exhaust. It took me about a month to figure this out. I went through O2 sensors. I saw a video of actual O2 sensor being bad and making noise. Anyway guys, I hope this will help somebody.